Hey everyone, today's video is going to be my family classic pasta al pomodoro, pasta with tomato sauce. It's the one that my father used to make and I was eating so often, basically almost every other day. I also am going to dedicate this video to my father who passed away not long ago. So this is a very simple, very easy, quick pasta dish. It's delicious. It contains two key ingredients that make it a little bit different from the usual pasta tomato sauce that you would normally have, and they are rosemary and sage, and together with the few other ingredients that you'll see in a moment, they make just a simple and wonderful pasta dish. So let's go and make it, and I hope you enjoy. So I have here all the ingredients I need: rosemary, sage, garlic, crushed tomatoes. Quickly peel the garlic, olive oil, very simply from the basics, olive oil, don't be shy. I'm using this big pan, but you can use a smaller one and just pour the sauce on the pasta. I like to normally have the pasta in the pan. Then the garlic, I'm just really chopping it in halves. Amount of garlic, as much as you like garlic. You know I'm a garlic monster. And then sage and rosemary we just picked earlier. I'm just gonna put it in here and just now let it sizzle a moment. Water is almost boiling. So this has been sizzling. It just let it sizzle a little bit. Don't want to burn the garlic. It's very important. Just pour your crushed tomatoes. Give it a stir. That's basically it. Really the simplest of recipes. Just keep in mind the few rules. Good olive oil, good crushed tomatoes, good ingredients. Don't be shy with the olive oil. You need olive oil here. Now you can cover it, maybe leaving a little bit of room for steam to go out. And this will need to cook for around 20 minutes on low heat. Now I'm actually having high heat to start making it simmer, and then I'm going to bring it to low heat. Add the salt, around half a teaspoon. Water is boiling. Salt, couple teaspoons depending on how much water, but for this pot, which is less than half full, very important, has to be like seawater. Sauce has been cooking for around 10 minutes, so now we can go with the pasta. I'm using spaghetti. It's around 10 minutes cooking time. Okay, so the pasta is basically ready, al dente. Not overcook the pasta. I could drain it. Instead I'm going to just transfer it directly into the pan with the sauce. You can also drain the pasta and then pour the sauce on it, but if you do that immediately. Don't drain the pasta and leave it there. Always keep some pasta water. Just a little bit of pasta water. can increase the heat down here, so give it like just a final composition and melding and merging and melting the ingredients together. Obviously without overcooking the pasta. The taste. Pasta is ready. Heat is off and ready to eat immediately.
You want to eat outside?
Too hot?
You're Italian. It's 25.